Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the night stream where we talk about gaming news, pop culture, and anything I find entertainment. I was on Push Square, and it was brought attention to me this new PlayStation commercial from Thailand. Now, of course, they have a wonderful headline. You need to see PlayStation Thailand's new commercial to believe it. So that's what we're going to do right now. Let's watch it. I haven't even watched it at all. I don't even know what it's about or what it's doing. Cute. Makes me want coffee. And a pastry. Aww. After that day, every night seems strange. Well, this took a very dark turn, didn't it? Neat. See, I kind of dig this already. Why doesn't the US get cool commercials like this? I guess it's just like telling a whole story. This is going deep. Mystic. Still no, I don't understand what's going on, but that was a little corny right there. This is a little corny. And this is probably the only way out. Everything will be fixed tonight. Oh, is that why he was going? I mean, it's weird. It is kind of weird. It's fun, but I mean, it's definitely weird. I don't know. It had me at the beginning. It had me at the beginning. Like I don't know. All right, now it's got me sucked back in again. Receipt. Ah, that's okay. Mystic Game Vault. Okay. Like the beginning and the end was good. It was good. What are people saying? I have no idea. It's this ad makes me want to buy another one. Oh, that's funny. Felt like I watched a movie trailer. I love PlayStation. That was a ride and a half. It was, I mean, hey, listen. You tell me, what did you think? I didn't think it was that bad. Beginning was good. Middle was and then the end. Oh, I like it. Leave a comment down below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That's some news. Take care, guys.